Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking into a topic called GenUI SDK in Flutter, and I thought this is a very interesting topic because you'll just see the magic in a second. Okay, so let's say this is the app, which again it's a very simple app. Now, as a user, I can type what UI I want here, or I'll just take in the suggestions that's here. So let's say I want to show a profile header. Okay, when I click this, I am sending to the AI, and here you go, it will be creating a live widget. So this is what GenUI SDK does. Basically, right now we are asking our copilot to create code for us, but it's in the code right here. In the app itself, the user can type in what like he or she wants, and a live widget will be created then and there. Now I don't know what are the where you can use this feature, but it's pretty interesting to me, so I thought I better share with you guys how to implement this and how we can make this work in any of your existing apps or any new idea that you're thinking of. So I have created readme file. So here I have added in like every single like step that you'll require to create this project. Again, if you're using Copilot or if you're using Cloud Code or anything, you can literally copy this, or you can just put in the file that I'll be sharing either in the description or in the comment section, and then ask your AI to create the project, right? But again, AI will do just limited stuff. You do have to do configuration with your Firebase, and you need to set up everything to make this work. Okay, I'll quickly explain you how Firebase works first, okay? Because that's the main basic topic that will be required in order to configure your project for GenUI SDK, okay? So if you don't know about Firebase, it's basically, it has everything. Okay, now they have integrated AI into it, and it is in a whole new level now. What you have got to do is you have to create a project. So first of all, create an account there, create one of these works, one of the projects. So I've already created here a project for me, but you need to create a project for yourself, and then go to your app, right? And then start setting up your terminal with Firebase CLI and FlutterFire CLI. Once these two are set up and installed, and I'll tell you like the importance. Basically, Firebase CLI will help you a lot in managing the accounts of your Firebase, and FlutterFire CLI will help you to configure your project for Firebase. Okay. Once this is done, all you've got to do is add these as your dependencies in your project. And once that is done, you have to log into your Firebase account. So if you've already set it up, you don't have to worry, but if you didn't, you have to use Firebase login and log into your particular account that you have where you've configured your project. And then after that, once that is done, once you do FlutterFire configure, a list of projects will come in. Okay, so here I've already done FlutterFire configure, but as you can see, like I already have a JSON file there, but that is what I would normally do. I would create a FlutterFire I would use the FlutterFire configuration, and then it will configure my whole project automatically. I don't have to do anything. Here you have the Firebase options data that will be created. Basically, it will have the data for Firebase. Once that is done, now we have to go back to the website. Okay, once that is done, the next step would be to go to the AI logic section. Okay, here there'll be an option to enable, so you'll be clicking the enable option. Okay, now there are lots of other errors that you might face. I have added all the errors, possible errors, and how to solve them in the README file itself. But once it is enabled, you'll get to see something like this, which means that your project is configured for AI logic. Okay, once that is done, you can enable, I have enabled this, but there are error codes suggesting that you need to enable the Vertex AI Gemini API as well, but then they didn't redirect me to this option. The error code redirected me to this. Basically, I think that is because they required the billing thing to be enabled. It will not work without billing being enabled. So for me, it was a little easy because I had to upload bills to Play Store, or I used to upload bills to Play Store. So I already had a billing account ready. I just linked it, and it didn't take much time. But I think for people who are just starting out, for them, they might need to set up the whole thing from scratch. Also, do make sure that when you come to this website, what happens is sometimes it tends to go to some other project rather than your required project. So make sure that this is the project that you want to enable your Firebase AI logic. I have made this mistake because they gave the link, I clicked on the link, it would redirect me to some other project. I didn't notice this section. So when I was like, okay, why is it not getting enabled? Why is it showing the error that it's not enabled yet? Then I got to see this part. So yeah, once that part was done, once billing was enabled, once Firebase AI logic was enabled, now you can basically go back here. I did face one error, so this is the link that helped me. It might help you as well. So once that is done, the only thing you have to do is, for iOS, you need to do pod install and everything, all these configurations, permissions, and I think you're pretty much good to go. You can literally copy this code and add it in your project. If you ask your AI to literally copy this whole file and set it up, and if you have given all the permissions like of Firebase and everything, it will do everything for you. But I personally don't give every permission, so I had to do a little bit of manual tasks. But then I also understand what is getting enabled, where I have to make sure that things are okay, and it also helps me in understanding what is going on. So this part you can literally copy and paste it, and they have given multiple and finally Flutter run. So these are the multiple errors I've faced. You can have a look, and also these are the number of widgets that's provided by GenUI SDK. You can have a look, and basically that's it. So you run the app and you'll get to see the magic that I showed you earlier. I hope you guys learned something new here. It was a topic that I thought It's a little unique, something that's a little different. So I thought, why not make a tutorial on this. So I will also be creating more tutorials on new topics. I have got some few topics in mind, but do make sure that if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below and I'll have a look, and if possible I'll try to create a tutorial on any of the questions that you have. So thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye.